Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing an AI lifestyle assistant that's been gaining buzz online, the Gensmo app. It promises help with outfit inspiration, gift ideas, and even home decor. But is it actually useful or just another trendy gimmick? Gensmo app is an AI-powered app that acts like your personal stylist, shopper, and home decor consultant all in one. You can upload photos of your wardrobe, input a few details about someone you're shopping for, or even explore interior design looks. And Gensmo generates customized ideas using AI. It presents everything in interactive collages, which makes the app feel modern, visual, and user-friendly. Based on user reviews and community feedbacks, here are what stands out. For the outfit inspiration, upload clothes from your closet and Gensmo gives styling suggestions great for planning outfits or refreshing your look. For gift ideas stuck on what to buy, Gensmo offers creative, tailored suggestions based on the recipient's interests. Clean interface. The collage-style display makes browsing ideas actually enjoyable, not just practical. Of course, it's not perfect. For the photo dependent, the AI works best when you upload your own images. Without them, the suggestions can feel too generic. Users have reported that the suggestions start to repeat. That can limit long-term creativity, which means repetitive output. Gensmo is a creative fun style tool, especially if you are into fashion or looking for unique gift ideas. While it's not going to replace your favorite stylist or a Pinterest board just yet, it adds value and a spark of inspiration to everyday decisions. If you like visual planning or just need a creative nudge now and then, it's worth checking out. This review is based on personal opinion and available user feedback as of 2025. And that's it for today. If you've tried Gensmo or Gensmo, let us know your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.